What percentage of weight was given to demographic performance by the 16th Finance Commission for computing interstate horizontal shares of all states 10%. India has signed MOU agreements with how many countries for cooperation on digital public infrastructure? 23 countries. Union Cabinet had approved a new framework on currency swap arrangement with which regional bloc for the period in 2024 to 2027. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, Africa Union Association for East Asian Nations, European Union. Answer is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. According to provisional estimates, the growth of India's real GDP during financial year 2024-25 was 6.5%. Census 2027 will be the 16th overall Indian census and the 8th since independence. Option A. Option B. 11,718.24 crore financial outlays approved by Union Cabinet for Census 2027. Answer. Both A and B are true. Only true. A only true. None of this. Both A and B are true. Which international funding agencies committed to fund the Amaravati capital city phase 1 development in Andhra Pradesh? Option 1 World Bank and IMF. Option 2 World Bank and JSCA. Option 3 World Bank and Asian Development Bank. Option 4 World Bank and European. Option 3 World Bank and Asian Development Bank. వ్యవహార ఆర్థిక సంఘం సిఫార్సుల ప్రకారం 2026-27 ఆర్థిక సంవత్సరంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కేంద్ర పన్నుల వాటా ఎంత? 64,362.16 కోట్లు. 16th Finance Commission report Andhra Pradesh will have a dash share in the digital pool of central taxes for the 2026 to 31 period. 4.22%. Andhra Pradesh revenue deficit for 2024 to 25 is what percentage of the state domestic product for 2024 to 2025 financial year as per the AP budget for the financial year 2024 to 2025? Option A 1.5%, option B 2.5%, option 3 2.00%, option D 3.01%, option D 3.01%. Consider the following statement about Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar Ajivika Mission. Viksit Bharat Guarantee Rozgar Ajivika Mission for Grameen Act 2025 is option A socialities under the BBG Ramji Act 2025 are mandate at least once every 6 months. Option 2 BBG Ramji Act the no work period to ensure availability of agricultural labor is 60 days. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2, both 1 and 2. Number of days for which wage employment is guaranteed in financial year under the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar Ajivika Mission Grameen Bill is 125 days. What is the per capita income of Andhra Pradesh as per the Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation data in financial year 2024 to 2025 is option 1 2068 to 1653, option 2 option 1 2,68,653, Option 2, 2,01,162. Option 3, 2,37,951. Option 4, 3 lakhs. Option 1, 2,68,653. Financial year 2026 సెన్సస్ థీమ్ 2026 జనాభా లెక్కల నినాదము ఏమిటి? అవర్ సెన్సస్ అవర్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఆప్షన్ 1. ఆప్షన్ 2, అవర్ సెన్సస్ అవర్ డెవలప్మెంట్. ఆప్షన్ 3, అవర్ సెన్సస్ అవర్ నేషన్. ఆప్షన్ 4, అవర్ సెన్సస్ అవర్ డిజిటల్ గ్రోత్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ అవర్ సెన్సస్ అవర్ డెవలప్మెంట్. అవర్ సెన్సస్ అవర్ డెవలప్మెంట్. 2001 నుంచి 2011 మధ్యకాలంలో భారత జనాభా వార్షిక వృద్ధి రేటు ఎంత? 1.64%. 2001-2011 మధ్యకాలంలో భారతదేశ జనాభా వృద్ధి రేటు ఎంత? 17.64%. వార్షిక వృద్ధి రేటు 1.64%. జనాభా వృద్ధి రేటు 17.64%. వాట్ వాజ్ ద ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అమాంగ్ ఆల్ స్టేట్స్ యూనియన్ టెరిటరీస్ ఇన్ 4th edition of Export Preparedness Index under Viksit Bharat @2047? Option 1, 9. Option 2, 6. Option 3, 2. Option 4, 5. Answer is option 4, 5. What is the rank of India in the Human Development Index? Is out of 193 countries in 2025, Human Development Index is 130. What was the repo rate of as of December 2025 according to the Economic Survey 2025-2026 is? Option A, 4.75%. Option B, 5.00%. Option C, 5.25%. Option D, 6.06%. Answer is C, 5.25%. What is the rank of India in the World Economic Forum Energy Transition Index 2025 is 71st rank. What is the projected range for India's real GDP growth in financial year 2026-2027 as per the Economic Survey 2025-2026 is 6.8% to 7.2%. As of March 2026, how many artisans had registered under the PM Vishwakarma scheme? Option A, 15 lakhs. Over 15 lakhs. Option B, over 23.7 lakhs. Option C, over 30 lakhs. Option D, over 40 lakhs. Answer is over 30 lakhs. Option C, over 30 lakhs. Which digital platform facilitates invoice financing through multiple financiers for MSMEs? Option A, GeM. Option B, Samadhan. Option C, TREDS Trades. Option D, MSME Sambandh. Option A, Government E-Market. Option B, Samadhan. Option C, TREDS Trades. Option D, MSME Sambandh. Answer is C, TREDS Trades.